Yes, primary 5. Today we want to look at lesson 14 and still about adverbs. The other time we were talking about the adverbs and the types. So now here we want to look at the order of adverbs. If we are to arrange sentences correctly, we are supposed to follow what we call order of adverbs. You will find a sentence mixed up with different types of adverbs. So how do you arrange them in their order to make a correct sentence? So the order of adverbs is here. We can write adverbs in order looking at three major types of them. That is adverb of manner, adverbs of place, and then adverbs of time. Commonly we use three to make the order of the adverbs. Now, the order of adverbs is how. Is how. That is the first adverb in a sentence. And how, that is manner. How something takes place, how it happens, and how it is happening. Then the next order is where, that is place. Then the last one is when. The last one is when. We are going to look at some examples here. I've said the order of adverbs is how, that is manner. The second is where, that is place. And the last one is time, that is when. Examples. In this sentence here, he hardly read books at home. This is the correct sentence. He hardly read books at home last week. If you come and say, he read books last week hardly at home, you have already failed the order of adverbs. So here, he hardly read books at home last week. Let's now look at the order. We have said how. So hardly is now how. This means it is manner. We hardly read books at home. Now we have at home. At home. That is now talking about where. Place. This means it is where. Then last week. Last week. That means it is a time. So the first adverb to appear in a sentence is hardly, which is how, as I have said here. The second adverb is at home, which is where. And then the last one is last week, which is time. So the correct form of the sentence will be, he hardly read books at home last week. Then number 2, the prefect spoke carefully at the parade yesterday. This one is very correct. If you begin with yesterday, you have failed because you have not followed the order of adverbs. Because you may say, yesterday the prefect spoke carefully at the parade. Or someone can say, the prefect carefully spoke yesterday at the parade. You are speaking without following the order of the adverbs. So the order is supposed to be, as I've said, that how is the first, where is the second, and when is the last. So let's see, the prefect spoke carefully. So how did the prefect speak? He spoke carefully, that is how. Carefully. This one is now how. Then at the parade. At the parade. Now this one is where. Where was the prefect speaking from? At the what? At the parade. Then when did the prefect speak? it is yesterday. So here now we are talking about yesterday. This one is now when. So that is the correct order of adverbs. Allow me to give you another one here. If someone says, we ate, let me see, we eat, I can say, yesterday we went to school. Yesterday we went to school. Quickly. Yeah. Now look at yesterday is an adverb. Quickly is an adverb. School is an adverb. Now following this order, the first thing is supposed to be manner. That is how did you go to school? You went there quickly. So the order is how, manner, which means it is supposed to be we. Quickly. So the quickly is how. That is the manner. We quickly went. Now you come and look for place. Where did you go? That is the school. Place. We quickly went to school. We quickly went to school. Then come and look for the time you went to school, which is yesterday. So this is what we are supposed to write. We quickly went to school yesterday. We quickly went to school yesterday. We quickly went to school yesterday. So you can see that quickly is manner. School is place. Yesterday is time. So that is how we are supposed to arrange adverbs in sentences. Someone who says that I go to school every day, and then someone says every day I go to school, you may find that there is a big difference, and one is correct and one is wrong. Yesterday must be the last, because it is referring to adverb of place. I go to school, I went to school yesterday. I go to school every day, but not every day I go to school. So that's how we are supposed to arrange the adverbs in sentences. Yeah, thank you for being good listeners. May God bless you.